Alright guys, today we're going to be dipping some fish flage. This is micro bass, I think they call it. Not the full size one and not the real tiny one. Give it 60 seconds on this one. And quick pass. One and a smidgen we give it on this film here, and it seems to come out okay. Let me see in there. Let me slide this over a little bit. A little too much growth there. Okay. Okay, she's ready. A little protective cover over the camera. There we go. Okay. Oops. So how do we do here? Oh, she's looking real nice. No bubbles in this one. Oh, kind of kick that over there. And the exhale. Let's take a look at this one. You want to kind of twist it around and pull it upwards so your tape doesn't fold back over your edges and get into your dip. And there we go. We got fish flage. Got a real nice dip in the corner. I don't see any air bubbles yet. It's beautiful. I think it's wonderful. Anyway. Just a real quick pass after one normal pass for my gun, and then one just a little fast one, 90 degrees, 60 seconds, and this film will lay down real nice for you. All right guys, Tsunami Hydrographic Coatings, check it out.